Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how I make these peanut butter waffles. I bet you this is the best peanut butter recipe you will find on the internet today. If you love peanut butter, make sure you watch this video to the end because you are going to like this. My name is Grace and I make recipes you will find very interesting. Please hit the subscribe button below to see more of my videos. For these recipes, we'll be using 2 eggs and I'm going to be mixing the eggs together. And for the quantity of the ingredients we use in this video, it got us 7 medium-sized waffles. I'll be adding 2 cups of warm milk. We'll be using warm milk because of our peanut butter to help it to dissolve easily. And the peanut butter, I already put it inside the microwave for a few seconds. And we are using 1 cup of peanut butter for this recipe. I'm going to be adding our sugar and we use half cup of sugar. I'm going to mix everything together. If the brand of the peanut butter you are using does not have this kind of oil like my own, you should add 3 tablespoons of oil. After mixing this, I'll be pouring in the dry ingredients. I use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll be mixing everything together. I'll make sure that everything is well combined, so I'm going to use my spatula to scrape down the side of the bowl and see the consistency that we got. Let me tell you, at this point you will feel like licking this. So I'm going to transfer this now into my jug. This is totally optional, but what this does is that it helps reduce mess on my waffle maker. It's more easier to pour from the jug to the waffle maker than just scooping. So that's what the jug does for me. I'll be pouring in this our batter into our waffle maker, and I'm not going to fill up the waffle maker because we have to give it room for it to rise. So I'm going to allow this to cook for 4 minutes. And here we have our waffles. This looks so lovely and the aroma coming from this is so nice. I bet you are going to love this. Tell me what other better way to enjoy peanut butter than this. I'm going to finish this up by adding extra peanut butter on top, and I will drizzle in some syrup and we'll have our peanut butter waffles. Try this out, you will so love it. Thank you for watching this video to this point, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, I'm running for you. That means I don't know what is holding you from subscribing. Meanwhile, I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.